Yo guys, what's up? Ticket M3 here, and I've literally redone this intro like 4 times because loud cars keep passing by my house. But as you can see, M3 on the trailer, back at my house in Jersey. Honestly, did not film a lot, if at all, down in Ocean City, Maryland. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you could see on my Instagram I posted a lot, but it wasn't like it was last year. It had a more like riotty type vibe. I know a lot of people said that, and probably won't go back next year. It just wasn't as fun. It wasn't what I remembered. But yeah, on a better note, I got tons of parts for my E30 here. I actually just got the turbo kit too, so I'm super excited to unbox it. Haven't even looked at it yet. So yeah, let's get in the garage and open all this stuff up. All right, so as you guys can see, we have the intake manifold over here. That is the oil pan gasket. That is the driver's side mounting arm for the engine. Those are the motor mounts. I had to get a new water pump because my motor didn't come with that or an intake manifold, so I had to get both of those. And then we just have all the stuff for the turbo kit. Well, actually, most of it. I have to email the company because for some reason, they're supposed to be all intercooler piping, and there's not, so that's a problem. But we have our eBay turbo right here. It's not bad. I think it'll work for what we're trying to do. But yeah, there we go. We got all the stuff right here. I'm gonna take the exhaust manifold and see if it mounts up right. All right, so I just bolted up the exhaust manifold, just put one bolt here and one here just to hold it on. I was under the impression it was gonna be like a front top mount turbo right here. I guess it's not. It'll sit down under here, which is fine. I think I'm just making sure that it's gonna clear everything, which it seems like it's going to. I was gonna mount the turbo up under here right now just to kind of test fit everything. But I mean, so far for an eBay turbo kit for not a lot of money, this seems pretty good. Just let's see if we can mount up that turbo. Right here we have the passenger side motor mount, and this, which is hot, was pretty much just stuck in with this bolt and everything, so I just had to take out my favorite tool over here, the grinder, and just cut it out. So now this motor mount is all good and ready to go. I'm just gonna try to clean it up along with the other one, and then I'll leave this here. Let me show you guys. I have the turbo on the exhaust manifold, and it's all pretty much mounted up. I mean, this is not permanent. I just wanted to test fit it and make sure everything fits. But as you can see, it's right there, and then the arm goes right here. So it literally just barely clears. I'm not exactly sure what we're gonna do with the air filter, how we're gonna do it, but I'm gonna have to figure all that out. And then we might have to turn the turbo up a little bit so that the intercooler piping kind of comes this way. And then I'm gonna start shaving all this down a little bit more, just stacking up a little bit more Bondo and then leaving it overnight, and then I'll sand it off probably another day. And then the engine bay should be pretty much done. All right, so as you can see, we pretty much got a lot of the Bondo laid. This side's gonna take a little longer. It's gonna take a bit to dry, and I've been out here for a while, so I'll do most of this off camera, and then I'll see you guys in the next video once hopefully we have the rest of the parts for the engine. I'm waiting for APR head studs, the new head gasket, and the head gasket spacer. So once all that comes in, we'll pretty much be able to put most of the parts together for the motor, and then hopefully I'll be grabbing a trans the next few days too. So stay tuned for all that. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and have a nice day.